Okay, hey CGR fam and YouTube fam, because I'm gonna post this on my YouTube too, channel. So this is a long-awaited unboxing, and I'm not gonna go more into detail. I'll come back because I'm still at work, so I just doing a quick unboxing, and I'll go into a review. But here is the spot. About exactly 7 days ago, I emptied this spot right here to make space for this bag. So, and you know, this is my rivet corner, so you guys already know how it just gave you a tip for, I know CGR fam knows about this bag, but YouTube fam may not know. So I just gave you a hint by showing my little rivets corner. It arrived today. I'm just quick unboxing and enough of the talking. So I can get back to work. All right. Whew, okay. So, just gonna remove the box. Ew, it's heavy. Like, you know, it's a substantial. You know, you guys know I love. So it's a Coach 1941 dust bag. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. In the good way. So ridiculous. This is just, yeah. Gorgeousness. Oh my gosh. And look at the handles, the whip stitch on the handles. So these rivets are hand affixed. So I'll go more into detail. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I have to get back to work and I couldn't wait to do a proper one. So here she is, Coach Rogue 36 Whiplash. This is to celebrate its 75th anniversary. Came out in 2016. And yes, I am so happy. This bag is amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, I'll come back later, y'all. I have to get back to work. This is ridiculous. And I'll go more into detail and how I got it, all the information about the bag, the modification to it, and all that good stuff. All right,